Welcome to Kromo, leading manufacturer of dishwashing machines and systems for professional users. Kromo was established in the mid-80s in Castelfranco, Veneto, 1 hour drive north of Venice. The production is made in almost 20,000 square meters of buildings, producing over 35,000 machines a year, distributed all over the world. With these numbers, Kromo is regarded to be the largest single manufacturer in this sector worldwide. The Kromo product range for HoReCa is the widest and most complete among those offered by any world-class competitor. A dedicated, comprehensive product range for bakery, pastry and the food preparation industry in general is also available in a variety of pot washers, container washers and ware washing machines, designed to each customer's needs. Engineering, research and development for new models and innovative washing solutions are entirely performed indoors. Thanks to the most advanced robotized systems in use, combined with more than 2 decades of wide experience, the stainless steel sheets come as ready-to-use complete machines and systems. Production flexibility is provided by assembly lines, each dedicated to a specific product range. This grants continuity in the production flow of over 100 models, made in over 3,500 different versions. Each and every machine produced runs a complete test cycle on 4 levels. Skilled technicians with the support of sophisticated electronic test benches do the testing. The matching of the tested machine with the foreseen database is verified and measured. This guarantees a constant, state-of-the-art quality control. Only after a positive test, the CE certificate can be issued by the system, permitting the final packing and delivery of the unit. Quality and technology are the main strengths of Kromo. This constitutes the mindset of every single employee, each cooperating to reach the company's goals. Thanks to this attitude, in 1997, Kromo achieved the ISO 9001 Quality Assurance Certification, with the Vision 2000 extension some years later. The Kromo strategy turns around the customer's satisfaction. This is the only long-term guideline. Kromo provides with its warewashing product range the widest worldwide solutions for any specific need. The ideal partner for all professionals.